Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepared my amazing creamy chicken fajita pasta. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, let us cook. So guys, let's cook our pasta. So in a medium sauce pot, I'm gonna add water, allow that to boil, then we're gonna add our pasta. Now for my pasta, I'm using rigatoni, and I'm using 2 cups of that. 1 teaspoon salt, and we're gonna cook this for about 10 to 12 minutes, or according to the package instruction, until it's al dente. Now that our pasta has cooked, we're going to place this under cold running water. Now for my ingredients on that cutting board, I have red and green bell pepper, red onion. For my season, I have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, oregano, Old Bay season, and meat season. I also have a cup and a half of heavy cream, mozzarella cheese, and parm. Okay guys, to create an even thickness, I will be tenderizing the chicken. So for that, I will be using a plastic wrap, just a piece of plastic wrap. If you guys have Ziploc bag, you can go ahead and use a Ziploc bag. If you guys have a mallet, you can use a mallet. I'm actually going to be using rolling pin. And I'm going to be pounding that chicken for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now you want to repeat the same process with the remaining chicken. Now it's time to season our chicken. First, I'm gonna be adding olive oil, and this is just to ensure that the seasons stick to the chicken. And you want to gently massage the oil over your chicken. Flip that over and repeat the same process. Now guys, I'm just gonna combine all the seasons together, and each of these seasons are 1 tablespoon of each. Okay, just combine everything together, and you just want to distribute the season over your chicken, ensuring that each part of the chicken has season, and you want to rub the season on your chicken just so that it comes out real flavorful. Now you want to flip it over and repeat the same process. Now in a skillet on medium to high heat, here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you want to ensure that your skillet is hot, guys. Then you want to place your chicken in that skillet away from you guys, and you want to sear this for about 5 minutes on each side until it is golden brown. If it's not fully cooked, that's okay. You can go ahead and finish it in the oven. Now guys, it's time to flip over our chicken and look at that sear. Just perfection. And this is the perfect sear that we are looking for, guys. Okay. Oh, just look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. Yes, guys, this is a perfect sear that we are looking for. Okay, just amazing. Yes. Now I'm just removing this and I'm gonna set that aside, and we're gonna be making our sauce. Now in that same skillet, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. We're gonna allow that to melt. Then we're gonna saute our vegetables. Now we're adding our vegetables, onion, both red and green peppers, and we're gonna saute these until they are fragrant. Now we'll be adding our garlic. Ensure to add the garlic a little last because it burns real easily. Now it's time to add our heavy cream, guys. 1 tablespoon of Cajun season, and we're gonna give this a quick stir. You guys can also go ahead and add chicken bouillon. Also guys, for additional flavoring, I went ahead and add 1 tablespoon of chicken broth. And now I'm adding my cheese. We're gonna stir that until it's all melted. Guys, ensure to taste your sauce just so that it's to your liking. If you want to add pepper or salt or whatever you want to add to it, go ahead and add that. Yeah, now is the time to do that. Now we'll be adding our pasta to our sauce. Now we're just gonna ensure that the sauce is covering over that pasta, and oh my goodness, just look at this goodness. Ooh, just look at this. Just so good, man. Now I'm gonna be adding some parm, and I wish I had cream cheese, but oh, that's good because the pasta came out so creamy. It was so good. It was just amazing, guys. No lie, this is actually one of my favorite pasta dishes, if I'm being honest. This was so delicious. Now we've come to the end of the video, guys. We're just gonna be chopping up our chicken just to top off that pasta. Now look at this pasta, guys. Look how amazing this is. It tastes so good. It was amazing. Just restaurant quality right here, guys. So good. I do hope you guys try this recipe out. I love you guys so much for watching, so much for stopping to watch another one of my videos. I love you guys so much for stopping by, man. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.